Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I've always been frustrated with the stands that come with tablet cases and phone cases. So I was really happy to find this Anozer tablet stand. You can use it with your phone as well, but for me, I use it primarily for my tablet. It's really nice because most tablet stands, it's a little kick thing that pops out and you have this constant awkward angle. And then my kickstand broke, but the tablet case worked. I didn't want to buy a new tablet case just for the kickstand. So I was really happy to find this stand. It is super sturdy. It has a very heavy bottom on here. It's got a nice grip pad on the tilt part with these little hooks that pop out that can easily put in a purse or a bag or just any part next to your vanity, your office. It's really nice. A lot of times I'm working on my computer, but I also need to be on my tablet. So I will have this off to the side and I'm able to look at both screens. It's really nice if I'm watching even a movie on my tablet. Sometimes I want it at eye level, and if there's a glare, it's nice to be able to adjust the angle that my tablet is sitting at. So it is really, really nice. I've had absolutely no problems with it. I've had it for a few years. It is such a high quality tablet. I've recommended it to so many people. Actually, there's like 4 other people in my household that have it, so we actually get confused whose is whose. It is a very high quality product. I use it almost every day. It is super nice, and that's my point of view.